Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare Libby and Hoopla. Libby focuses on ebooks, audiobooks, and magazines accessible via a library card. It allows offline downloads and has a simple, user-friendly interface. Hoopla, on the other hand, offers ebooks, audiobooks, comics, movies, and music with instant streaming and supports more formats. If we talk about their pricing, Libby is completely free with a participating library card. Hoopla is also free with a library card but comes with limited monthly borrows, usually 5 to 10 titles. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of both. On the positive side, Libby offers a clean interface, offline access, and a wide selection of books. On the downside, it does not include movies or music and depends entirely on the library's collection. Hoopla's advantages include access to movies, shows, and music with instant borrowing, while the downside is limited checkouts and a lower quality book reader compared to Libby. Now let's see what users say about Libby and Hoopla on Trustpilot. For Libby, many users express frustration with its limitations. Some mention that even though they're members of multiple libraries, the books they want aren't available, forcing them to pay for Kindle Unlimited. The search engine and filtering options are often described as poor, and some users report long waits for books on hold, with others jumping ahead in the line. Despite being the only app for accessing library e-books for some, many feel the limitations outweigh the benefits, with slow loading times and a lack of basic features like restricting searches to a specific library. For Hoopla, users also report dissatisfaction. Some experience technical issues, such as the app not working on a new Roku TV, with unhelpful customer support. Others mention problems with cashback promotions, stating that promised rewards never arrived and complaints were ignored. Overall, some users feel the service is unreliable compared to alternatives, with slow or ineffective support. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.